Today's video is about police instant karma and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. The driver is a known drug dealer in my area. The section of road where he overtook me is limited to 70 kilometers per hour, and he probably would have hit the scooter if I hadn't moved to the side. Polish police arrested a driver for violating traffic rules in Warsaw.
Oh, someone's getting busted. I bet you it's that maroon SUV that went flying by the fucking trooper. It is.
The car first stopped in the middle of the intersection. He was then speeding in a 35 miles per hour zone, and a police officer came out of nowhere and lit him up.
Here he comes. Got him. I told you don't speed through here.
Waco, Texas. A speeding Camaro gets pulled over by State Patrol.
Much shorter than you. Where would your hands be right now if they were when you were choking? About that level. So how did you? Randy, is it on purpose or accidental?
Just squeeze. I don't care if you crush the bottle. I don't care if you crush it. Show me how hard you squeeze.
He was going after him.
That's that. You can crush that box as much as you want. I don't care.
Titled Knife. It recounts the attack that nearly killed him in 2022 and his life since. That story on All Things Considered this afternoon at 4.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
Good morning, I'm Layla Fadden. MGM turns 100 years old today. To celebrate, the Hollywood Heritage Museum in Los Angeles has...
I was already going 10 above the posted speed limit of 35, and this guy comes flying out of nowhere and gets pulled over by Karma cop. I was doing 60 miles per hour in a 50 zone, and a car in front of me passed an unmarked Fairfax County police cruiser on the right. Impatient Hyundai crosses into oncoming lanes because first car in line didn't notice green arrow. But how did the Hyundai not see the cop car right next to them?
That's great.
Which one? What side?
Right here.
Oh, well, the road there's over all on his brakes and stuff. Ooh, that's not looking good. It's not gonna really get anywhere because everyone's driving the closer to the speed limit.
Ooh, and there goes my man. Go get him.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes! Yes, CHP! Yes, CHP!
Woohoo! Hey. You there? Hey, what's going on?
Honda Civic driver didn't like the other white car cutting him over. Started to have road rage, and police pulled him over.
In 1 mile. Exit right to exit 157, US 46 East, Garfield.
The car did not wait for the red light to change. The police officer turns around and turns on his headlights. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. How often do you see instant karma on the road? Write in the comments and then send us your video.